Hi guys, today we are going to talk about counting and managing your money when you're shopping. Shopping is a part of life. Your mom and your dad might be doing a lot of your shopping for you right now, but when you grow up, you want to be able to do your shopping on your own as well. If your family needs some groceries, you want to be able to go out and buy those things. If you want a new game or some new clothes, you want to be able to go out and to the stores and get those for yourself. So we're going to look at that, and we're going to look today from the grocery store perspective. So if we go to the grocery store, we're going to have our shopping cart. We're going to go down the aisles and figure out, okay, what do we want to buy today? Maybe we see some Mountain Dew and we think, oh, that might be good. But we know at home we have some dirty clothes we need to wash. So we see the laundry detergent and we know we need to get that too. And we keep going through the aisles and we see some Starburst and we like Starburst. So maybe we'll get that. But we have $10 in our wallet. We know $10 is what we have to spend today. That's all you have to spend. So we have to figure out, can we afford all three of these things today? And what we're going to do to figure that out, we're going to practice our rounding skills. When you round, if you remember, we look at numbers and we say, is it 5 or greater? If it's 5 or greater, we're going to round up. If not, we're going to keep it the same and go down. So we're going to look at the tenths place. And with the Mountain Dew, we have the number 6. 6 is greater than 5. So we're going to round up to $2. That Mountain Dew is going to cost about $2. So we're going to put 2 counters in our tens frame to show those $2. Okay, so looking then at the laundry detergent, in the tenth place, there's a 9. 9 is greater than 5, so again, we have to round up. The laundry detergent is going to cost about $7, so let's put 7 in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, guys, our tens frame is getting pretty full. Let's see if we can fit the Starburst in there or not. Looking at the tenth place, there's a 4. 4 is smaller than 5, so this time we're going to keep it there at the 2. It's going to be about $2. So we put in 1, 2. Uh-oh. We ran out of space in our tens frame, so we can't afford all three of those things today. So we've got to make a choice. We know we have our dirty clothes at home that we have to wash, so we have to get the laundry detergent. What do we want to get with the detergent? I think today we'll go with the Mountain Dew. So we're going to get rid of the Starburst, put those back, and we're going to buy the Mountain Dew and the laundry detergent. So we're going to go to our checkout out front. And when we go to the register to check out, the cashier will scan the items and she's going to tell us that our total with the tax is $9.18. Guys, we have our $10 to pay with. $9.18 and $10 are not the same. There's a difference there. We have to find out what that difference is so that we'll know how much change we should get back. To find the difference, we subtract. We're going to take away to find the difference. So first, to know what your difference is going to be, you're going to see it probably on your receipt. If you get a receipt, it will say the change on there is 82 cents. But sometimes things mess up, machines, you might not get a receipt. And if you don't get a receipt, I do want you guys to be able to figure out that difference on your own as well. So you could pull out your cell phone and use the calculator on there, and we could figure out the difference between 10 and 918. Again, to find the difference, we're going to subtract. So we're going to put 10, take away 9.18. Remember to put that point in there. If you do not put your decimal point in there, you will have 918 and you will get a crazy answer. So whenever we're talking about money, you're going to have a decimal between your dollars and your cents. So we have 10 take away 918 equals 82 cents. There it is, guys, and it matches that receipt, doesn't it? So our last thing we need to check, the cashier is going to give us some change back. And we want to make sure she gives us the right amount of change. So I want you guys to count the change and make sure you did get 82 cents. Now, some of you guys know that 3 quarters equals 75 cents. If you know that, that's great, and you can count on 75, 80, 81, 82. That's great counting. But if you don't know that 3/4 is 75, you can always use your touch points. So we're going to use the touch points and count by fives because the points are fives. So here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 81, 82. Guys, it matched up, didn't it? We have 82 cents, so we got the right amount of change. So we've gone through an example of what your shopping experience might look like. Remember, when you go shopping, you want to use those rounding skills to figure out what you're able to purchase. You give the cashier your money at the checkout, and then you want to count your change to make sure it's right. We're going to keep practicing this. But thanks for tuning in today, and happy shopping.